What's going on, guys? It's HilljackZack here, and today we are doing a tool review number 2 with our with my drill doctor that I just bought. And basically we're going to be using this tool to do some drill bits with. I got a few here, and I've actually been using it for quite a bit. This is just a tool review, but today's tool review is going to be about the drill doctor and what its function is and how good of a tool it is, like how useful it is. So let's get started by going through the process. I'm going to put this in here so that nothing blows out the side. We're going to go through the process of how the drill doctor works and what you use it for. So obviously it's to sharpen drills, and you got this piece right here that you're going to put the drill bit inside of. How it works is you put it in here like this, and then if you want to, you can tighten it before you put it in there. That's what I prefer to do, actually. So we're going to go ahead and tighten it just enough so that the drill bit won't rattle around too much while we're trying to gauge, you know, what's the right measurement for it. So that's where it's going to sit right there, because it doesn't shake any. So now we're going to go to the actual drill doctor itself. We're going to plug this in right here like that. You can choose different degrees. Mine allows for 118 degrees or 135 degrees. I believe some other drill doctors do that, but you're going to open this thing up with this hand, push it in with your other hand. I use my pinky actually. And you're going to twist it until it locks up like that. So after it locked up, just like it did here, you're going to grab this part and you're going to tighten it as tight as you can get it. Or, well, not too tight. I guess not too tight. I should say as tight as you can get it. You're going to pull it out here. You take the drill doctor over here. You're going to start it up. And this is really loud, so keep that in mind. You're going to start it up. You're going to put this thing in here along with the that screw there. It's not a screw, that's just along with that shaft there that sticks out, the chrome shaft. And then when the drill's running, you just turn it around like this, and it'll go up and down as you're spinning it. You spin around a couple times. For drill bits this small, I prefer to only go like 4 spins, or 4 half turns, so two full turns, 4 cuts, and then I'm done. So guys, let's go ahead and drill some drill bits. Alright guys, I'm hoping you can see this good. You can go ahead and do some drill bit sharpening. Alright guys, so this drill bit looks good. So what we're going to do next is we're going to pull this cap out of the side here that was in here and put it in this top hole that you put the drill bit down into to sharpen it. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the drill back on and push this into the side of the drill, and it'll finish the drilling job and do it along the sides so that it'll cut into things better. We'll go ahead and do that. Perfect. I also forgot to mention that there is a line on the side of the tool, white line, and if you look here on the drill doctor, there is a line on top of here, right here, that you got to line it up with on the on this tool here. So now we're going to do a few more drill bits, and then we'll be done. One more. Yeah. Okay guys, so as far as this drill doctor goes, it basically, it's like a money saver. Saves you all kinds of money on drill bits. It could save you a few $100 on just throwing away drill bits early when you could just reuse them again instead of just having to throw them away and get new ones. It's a really nice little tool to have. I would definitely suggest having one of these tools if you use drill bits for anything, literally anything at all. It's a really nice tool to have. I personally love it, but I don't know, some people prefer to use a table grinder or whatever, so I guess that can work too. A little bit, not like the drill doctor. The drill doctor does it best. Well, anyway guys, if you thought this video was useful, make sure to leave the like button, or if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave the like button. And if you really enjoy the content of this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get more, so you can get to see more videos from me. And guys, thanks for watching.